This is Matt, and this will be a video on doing a Spotify to Amazon Music playlist transfer. So I'm right here on this site called Tune My Music, so you can find it at tunemymusic.com. So I'm right here, you can see that I have in fact already done a transfer. I'll show you how to do a transfer to actually move one playlist from one service to another using Tune My Music, which is a completely free service, and it's really easy to use. So we will click, if you already have one right here, which you probably don't, you will click on New Transfer. So you'll be greeted with this window. So like I say, I've already done a transfer, so it kind of has that record there. But when you come to Tune My Music, you will be greeted by this. So you can search for services here. They have a whole bunch of services that you can use right here. Everything from, well, Spotify, Apple Music there. We've got Amazon Music, YouTube, SoundCloud, so on and so forth. You've even got Napster, Pandora. So what you would do is you'll click on one of these services. Now, you will need to sign into your service if you're not already signed in. So I believe I'm already signed into Spotify and Amazon Music. If not, when you click on these, so let's click Spotify first of all, you'll just have a pop-up that will want you to sign into your Spotify, so in the same way that you ordinarily would. So that's super simple. Now, if you do have a playlist URL of a specific playlist, you can put it in here and click load from URL. If you don't have that URL, that's absolutely fine. It's easier just to click on load from Spotify account. Now, when we click there, by default, this service will want to transfer your entire library. So we can just click there to unselect everything. Now we have the playlist that we have on this particular channel. So I've got this random awesome playlist kind of demo one right here. You will just select any number of playlists that you want to transfer over. So let's say we just want to do this one playlist right here. Now you'll click on choose destination. And once again, you'll be greeted by this page. We have Spotify already selected as a source. And now I'm just going to click on Amazon Music. So that instantly connects to my Amazon account. Again, you need to be logged into your Amazon Music account. If you're not, a pop-up will appear and you'll just click verify and your Amazon Music account will be connected. So we now have Spotify and we have Amazon Music. We've selected our playlist. So again, this is transferring Spotify, this playlist from Spotify to Amazon Music. You can do this exact process for any of those services that I showed you on the previous step. So now click Start Transfer. And just like that, it will begin processing the tracks. And well, actually within seconds, I didn't even pause the video, within seconds, we have 8 tracks have been transferred. So this whole playlist has been transferred from Spotify to Amazon Music, just like that. So it's really simple. Like I say, you can use this for any service on Tune My Music, tunemymusic.com. I have the link, the URL in the video description just below this video. So you can click that and you'll come to the Tune My Music site super easy. When we click continue, we can auto sync things, and there's a few more advanced options, but again, Tune My Music is completely free. Hopefully you have found this video on how to transfer your Spotify playlist to Amazon Music. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.